everyone's cake today, and this is the clean space.
Hi, I'm Giselle, and I will be telling you the ingredients. This is black icing, and then this is the white icing, and this is the white icing, and we will be putting red food coloring in it. This is oil, and you will need 1/2 of a cup. This is 1 cup of water. This is cake mix, and then you will need 3 eggs.
Hi, my name is Kaden, and this is a mixing bowl. This is a whisk where you stir it up, and this is a cake pan where you put this in there and you put it in the oven and it starts to bake.
Hi, my name is AJ, and today's theme is Pokemon. We're going to be making a Pokeball cake, and today's verse is John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever has to believe in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. John 3:16.
Who's your favorite Pokemon? Pikachu.
Eevee. Ash Ninja.
Finnegan.
Ask a ninja.
Make sure you preheat your oven to 350.
These are the eggs, so I'm going to crack it.
This is 1/2 cup of oil.
This is a whole cup of water.
This is a whole package of cake paddle.
This is a whisk. Where you stir up all the ingredients that they put in here. Might take a while. Just work it.
Now it's time to put the batter in the mixing pan.
Now we're gonna put it inside
The oven. Make sure you have adult supervision.
Time to
Guys, move, I can't get any.
put some lid up.
You don't need any more.
Not the rest, but I got some.
Wait, guys, what if people would just like make that and then just eat it without making a cake?
They do that.
That's what we're doing.
No, like they still have the liquid in it.
You need to stop.
And they just
Why did you let me get the whisk? You already know I'm not gonna eat out the bowl.
I know I'm not gonna eat alcohol
Since when?
today.
Dang.
When exactly?
Tastes like the cake itself, but better. And like I eat like a whole bowl.
The cake battle tastes like strawberries and banana, and it has some sugar in it.
So, we kind of messed up. I think what happened was that we didn't fill our cooking pans all the way, and this resulted, and it's kind of a mess. What happened to the cake? Yeah, we kind of messed up.
We tried.
What is this?
We tried, but I couldn't.
This is some bad trying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang.
Well, instead, it looks like a Pokeball, kind of.
We should make lemonade out of this stuff.
Let's make some lemonade of this stuff.
You also love make lemonade. Instead, Kaden, we should make lemonade out of lemons. Or if you have lemons, try to make lemonade.
With what lemons?
When life throws you lemons, you make lemonade.
Nobody throws lemons at us.
That looks like pink. Still.
Yeah, because it wouldn't turn red. It's not my fault it doesn't want to turn red. How
Alright,
did you make a Pokeball all those years ago? Here, AJ. Since you said you could do better, let me see you do better. What's this?
You gotta be smooth.
You tell me that's better. You gotta be kidding me.
It is. If he started from the beginning, he would have.
It did look like a Pokeball, but like,
Okay.
The cake is kind of falling apart now
Yeah.
because of all the
Mine-
weight that's being added to it.
The white frosting is kind of
Right.
heavy. If you pick this up,
Add the
it's
white to
kinda
the bottom,
heavy,
Nick.
so- And with all that frosting, I'm pretty sure it's
Okay,
gonna
you're
be
getting
quite
it
heavy
on
for
the bottom
cake.
right there.
I'm not trying to.
And oh no! I know.
Oh, you guys trying to do the black. That's the one.
Okay,
I'm doing that part.
Dang.
I know how to try a new one.
You don't push it down.
What? I'm trying to help you guys.
Out with the bag. Oh, you see, I push it like that.
Okay, this one has to walk.
Tasty.
Okay, that's really pink.
Y'all gonna mess me up. At first, it didn't really work.
Does that one messing it up anymore?
Oh my gosh. How are y'all doing this? Okay, this is starting to look like a blob.
This is, I know, we're messing it up though.
This is a blob. This isn't even a ball anymore.
Yeah, you guys messed it up. Here.
Dang, I can't with
Nick,
y'all.
put the white goes at the bottom, Nick.
I can't with you guys.
Oh, okay, it's a little cream.
Yes, yes it is. Tastes like frosting though, because it is frosting.
No,
No, this is mine. This is mine. This is mine.
Oh no, I got pink on it.
I'm gonna try.
Oh no, I got pink on it. Oh no.
No.
Didn't you have some icing? Nick, Kaden?
Huh?
Didn't you have some icing?
Yeah.
So why are you telling him no? Nick, AJ just sitting
It's
lit.
coming out on its own.
He's sitting over there eating all the icing.
Let me see.
Okay, I saw you squish a little
let
bit.
me see. It's so good.
What, the black one?
Let me decorate.
Usually I don't like icing, but
Wait, you're gonna cut it?
oh,
Yeah, if you eat too much of it, I have stomach aches and I have a really bad migraine.
Wait. Listen, here. Now you look
I
nasty.
make the best cake. I make the best.
This is cake? I was a little bit confused because, whoop!
Okay, I
We need more white in the bottom of that cake over there.
Like, oh, this kind of?
Hey, you wanna do it?
Well, I like having plastic.
This is good.
Anybody want some of this?
Yeah.
I want to see the banana splits movie.
Okay,
Okay, yeah.
That's how it's done.
No,
Okay, stop it.
Okay, you want some?
nah, Netflix.
You want some?
No, it is on the
Here.
YouTube.
I said here.
It's just.
Bro, that's too much. What do you?
Nick, you want some?
Hey, you got pink icing on there.
Yeah.
It's good.
I'm gonna all forget. We might as well just go ahead and dig in, Mom.
Mom, just don't mess it
No,
up.
she picked up this whole huge log and just smashed it in.
No,
It's
Mom, it fell and I was trying to piece it
No,
back
Mom, it was
together.
fine how it was. She ruined it.
No, it had fell. Like,
Might as well just go ahead and dig in.
No, hang on.
Let's eat.
Hang on.
Come on.
I can fix it. There. No, look, it just needs some red icing on it.
Oh, so anyways, the red was supposed to be for our sins.
Are we recording?
And the white is supposed to be our sins being washed. And then the black is supposed to be Jesus separating us from our sins. So that we can go to heaven and be with him for all eternity.
And God came, he rose, he ascended, and he's coming back.
God did that.
No, Jesus did that.
No,
Jesus
Jesus-
did what?
Jesus and that comes
Jesus
oh, yeah,
came,
but
he
he
arose.
is that. Oh,
He,
Jesus.
oh wait, he came, he died, he arose, he ascended, and he's coming back.
I don't know half of it. Jeez.
And we're still waiting on the part for Jesus to come
So
back.
I will just go ahead and dig in because, like, look at this. What is this?
You guys, in the comments below, you should rate how good we did. I think we did.
Subscribe, click on the
Really
bell.
good
It turned out
job.
pretty good at first, but Yeah, now it's not so good.
I don't think so.
Let's eat.
Now, like my black, describe and like because our cake looks so good.
She
Watch
said
FTV.
subscribe and
He's on
like.
YouTube.
Oh no. I have gum in my mouth and now lost it in the cake. Oh no.
V.
Oh no.
And make sure to describe FETV.
No. We're not FTV.
And describe and like.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.
And this is
And leave a like.
Nobody.
If you want to, we can't really force you to do anything.
We didn't hear what any of you said with your mouth full.
Okay.
They definitely heard me.
Make sure you hit the bell. You put a like on this video.
and you subscribe.
And you subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
I guess.
Hey, make this
Bye.